Welcome to week 12. After you've suffered through IPv4 and IPv6 and all the technicalities of them, how they're structured, how they're made, what they're made up of, how to apply them, now we're going to use that information to say, how do I take a network and break it into smaller pieces? Even if you look at an IPv4 address, 192.168.10.10, that based on the subnet mask, if you've got a 255.255.255 subnet mask, that means you can have 254 usable addresses. But in a case like our classroom, let's say, I don't have 254 computers that need to communicate with each other. I've got 30. So what happens if I wanted to make sure that what we were doing in our class didn't get interfered with any other class? That's called subnetting. I'm going to break down the structure, which then means I need a router to make sure the information gets through correctly. So this week is the next 2 weeks are on subnetting. I've posted Quizlet key terms, PowerPoint slides. There is a series of different videos, YouTube videos on how to subnet. Oops, looks like I may have 2 of them in there the same, but I also then have a set of, as soon as it catches up with me, website links on how to do subnetting, that IP calculator that you used in one of your assignments. Subnetting questions. This one's kind of interesting only from the standpoint that all it does, I'll just give you a brief example. It gives you it gives you a question. Gives you an answer, how many subnets and hosts per subnet can I get from a network that has this IP address and this subnet mask. I guess that's okay. And then based on that, it gives you the answer. So it's kind of a cool practice site that to get yourself down to because you really need to, in some of the test questions, you need to be able to look at an IP address, a subnet mask, and make a determination relatively quickly, probably within 10 seconds or so. So getting more and more practice with it is always a good thing. And then I've got a link that says this is Cisco's recommended way. It's a little bit different, but as with anything else in Cisco, it's all how does the equipment deal with it. So there's just a few links. I've got a link to one of the videos here was how to subnet, but it uses a cheat sheet. So I give you a copy of the cheat sheet. So if you want to download it and use it, feel free. Even though the cheat sheet's actually relatively quickly to recreate if you needed to. Let's say you're going to take the CCNA exam, it would be helpful there. And then I've got 3 labs, 2 labs, 1 packet tracer, reflection journal, and hey, no exams this week, so all you're going to be doing is catching up on if you didn't complete the chapter 7 exam, that'd be the only exam you'd be doing this week. So hopefully it gives you an idea on what we're going to be doing this week. If you have any questions, let me know.